Hi, welcome to Clubit TV. My name is JP and we're now unboxing another Takeway product. This is a TH01, so if you can see it there, and this one is designed to hold your tablets. Not your tablets, a tablet. So, looking on the back, let's have a look at it's about 15mm long, 6.5mm wide, and just over 6.5mm high. To be more specific, that's 16 by 6.4 by 6.7. Weighs 123 grams, and the important point here really is the max opening for a tablet is a width of 20 centimeters, so the maximum size of your tablet is listed at 11.6 inches. Okay, and that's an 800 gram capacity. So it's then got a list of its contents, but I think that works a little bit better on an unboxing video if we pull it out the box. So try not to ruin the box as we pull it out. And the instructions, which we put to one side. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, the tablet holder. So much like the other Takeway products, it's really tactile, you know, a decent kind of feel and build quality. Also with this, you'll notice that on the back it's mountable to a tripod. It's just got a threaded inlet there, so you can screw it on and it should then sit very nicely and securely. I'm just wondering if that's also detachable as well. And there we go. So yeah, you sit your tablet on there, adjust it to the size that you want, and then it's all collapsible back down. Nice plastic finish. You've got a little bit of padding here to protect the surfaces of your tablet. By tablet, obviously Kindle, iPad, Android. There are other ones. You know, it's universal for that point. Just checking the user guide, see if there's anything that we could have possibly missed. And I believe we're good. So, for other Takeway products and also a massive range of unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to check out our website at www.clubit.tv. Thanks ever so much. Bye.
Clubit TV.